Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Old World New. Addie here. And it's a happy Halloween, isn't it? Y'all, Halloween is like my favorite time of year. And I am excited to be collaborating with Tyler of Thrifts and Tangles to bring you some DIY Halloween costumes that you can drum up out of your closet. If you are extra like me, you might have a fur and some gloves and a fascinator just lying around the house because I like vintage things that only cost like $5. I like it like that. But this is not my costume. I just wanted to dress up for the entire video and be super duper extra. I'm sweating, so I'm about to take this off, but get into it. Get into it, yeah. When we were trying to decide on our costumes to make sure that we didn't have any costumes that overlapped, I realized I am basically like a cartoon character. These outfits came together a little bit too easily. I did not have to go to the thrift store at all to thrift for anything for these Halloween costumes. These are things that are in my closet that I wear. Most of them are thrifted, some borrowed from my husband, and some that were gifted by sustainable brands before. But mostly, like I said, my closet is 90% thrifted. Probably 80% of these things for the Halloween costumes are thrifted. I don't even want to keep y'all waiting. Let's get into these Halloween costumes that you can DIY straight from your very own closet or the thrift store if you do need another piece. Well, there you have it. Did you guess each one correctly? We're ending here on Penny Proud Family, which is coming back soon, or it's already back through Disney, which is very exciting. This was one of my favorite tweenhood shows. Loved it so much. And like I said, everything was thrifted. The socks I had and the shoes were gifted from a sustainable company. They are called Bohempia, and the shoes are made of hemp. Comment down below, let me know which costume you like the best. If you're subscribed to my newsletter, we're talking about perfection this week, and none of these outfits were quote unquote perfect, but it was easy to see what they were. At least to me it was. Let me know if it was easy for you to see. I didn't have to have the perfect minion goggles. I didn't have to have the perfect white shirt for Penny Proud. I mean, a gardener is a gardener. I have plenty of actual gardening things to just like chunk into that, but it was fun showing off the things that I harvested today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go watch Tyler of Thrifts and Tangles as she shows you 3 more costumes that she makes from her very own closet as well. Let me know any costumes that you've made from the things that you have last minute. It's always that the thrill of the rush is a lot of fun, but then also seeing that your closet is so versatile. I love that so much. Like, I can wear this as a business suit top, or I can be Penny Proud. The possibilities are numerous, and it is so much fun to create things like this with my thrifted closet. Alright y'all, it's been fun, and I will see y'all next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, visit me on other platforms, check the links down below. Bye.